Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After opening a page in Canva, go to the element section and let's search for a shape. We are going to take this rectangle oval shape. Place it on the right corner of the page and adjust it. And then let's change the color of the shape. We are going to make it a gradient shade. Let's take two colors. First we are going to take this color and purple and blue. Make a good adjustment. Then go to the element again and search for a frame. We are going to take round frame. Adjust it over the shape. And then go to the element again. And now let's search for another shape. For that, let's find another frame, delete the previous one and find another. Let's take this shape and rotate it and adjust it over the shape. It perfectly, and then let's change the previous shape color. Take blue color and take two types of blue, two shades of blue, and keep it right there. Then go to the element and search for a office lady or a professional lady picture. Go to the photo section and let's take these. Let's change the photo. Let's take this photo and adjust it, and then let's give a frame border in 2 and change the border color in blue. Then let's go to the element again and search for shape. From the graphics, let's take this shape. Let's see how it is look. It's not look good, delete it, and let's take another shape. The perfect shape for this. Let's take this shape and let's change the color in blue. Let's find another shape for the bottom section. Let's take this or find another one. Let's take Let's search for a blue corner shape and let's take this curve shape and let's take this shape too and adjust it over the left corner shape. Let's change the color of shapes for adjusting. Let's take a text tool and write the name. And let's change the shape font style. Let's change the font style. And let's change the font style and take another text box and type graphic designer. And now let's adjust this both text. And let's take another text box and type ID now. And go to the element again and search for a barcode. Let's take this barcode and adjust it in the bottom side of ID now. Go to the element again and search for a frame and take a round frame, and we are going to change the photo frame. So adjust the picture in round frame, select it and rotate it, adjust it over the round frame. And after adjusting the picture, Go to the border, give it a border 2 and change the color of border. Change the color of border in blue. Let's see how it is look. And then paste the logo of the company. Resize it and adjust it on the upper side of left corner. And go to the element and let's find for white glow shadow. I don't think it's look good, so let's change it, keep it as it is, and let's adjust the text. Okay, make all the thing in center alignment. Then let's go to the back page of the ID card. Let's go to the element and search for shape, border shape, curve shape, anything. Take this shape and adjust it on the left corner of the page. And let's take another shape. Let's take this curve shape and adjust it on the bottom side of the page. Let's take this shape and let's search blue corner shape and let's take this shape and adjust it on the left corner. Before adjusting, let's paste the logo and make it a font and adjust it over the shape. Adjust the shape and logo properly on the right corner. Adjust the left corner shape. And let's take a text box and type terms and condition. Type terms and condition. Adjust it and let's change the font style. Change the font style in Poppins. Make it semi bold and let's search for a line. Let's take this line and adjust it under the terms and condition like underline, and let's change the color of terms and condition. Keep it similar as the other shape colors. And then take a text box and type the terms and condition or paste the conditions and adjust it properly. Then go to the element and search for a QR code. Take this QR code and adjust it on the below side of text and center on the shape and text. Make it centered. All done. Let's change the gradient shade of the first shape. Make it little bit darker. Change the color and it is okay. It's done. Here is our professional ID card design. Hope you like this design. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more with design tutorial. If you need any kind of design like logo design, flyer, brochure or any kind of design need, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in the description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.